Welcome to the ultimate guide to professional carpet cleaning. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of hiring professional carpet cleaners, the different types of services available, and how to choose the right company for your needs. Let's start with the benefits of professional carpet cleaning. Improved air quality is one of the significant advantages. Carpets can trap dust mites, pet dander, and allergens, which can affect the air you breathe. A professional cleaner can eliminate all that gunk, leaving you with fresher, cleaner air to breathe. Regular professional cleanings also help extend the life of your carpets. Dirt and debris can wear down your carpets, making them look old and dingy. But with professional cleaning, your carpets will look brighter and cleaner than ever before, saving you money in the long run. Now, let's talk about the different types of carpet cleaning services available. One popular method is steam cleaning. High-pressure heated liquid is used to dislodge and dissolve dirt deep within the carpet fibers, providing a thorough and effective clean. Another option is dry cleaning, which involves using a specialized compound that attracts dirt like a magnet. It is then vacuumed away, leaving your carpets clean and dry in no time. For tougher stains or heavily soiled areas, deep cleaning is recommended. This intensive method penetrates deep into the carpet fibers, using specialized equipment and solutions to tackle even the most stubborn stains. Before your cleaning service arrives, there are a few steps you can take to prepare. Start by thoroughly vacuuming your carpets to remove any loose dirt or debris. Spot clean any stains to enhance the overall outcome. And consider moving furniture out of the way to ensure every inch of your carpet gets cleaned effectively. When selecting a professional carpet cleaner, it's essential to choose the right company. Check customer reviews and ask for references to get a sense of their reputation and workmanship. Evaluate their experience and expertise in handling different types of carpets and stains. And don't forget to inquire about the equipment they use to ensure a deep and thorough clean. Speaking of the right company, let us introduce you to Imperial Carpet Care Ny, the #1 choice in New York. With their experienced technicians and state-of-the-art equipment, they guarantee top-notch service every time. They offer a wide range of services, including steam cleaning, dry cleaning, upholstery cleaning, and even disaster restoration. At Imperial Carpet Care, they pride themselves on quality service, fair pricing, and customer satisfaction. Don't settle for mediocre cleaning services that leave your carpets damp and smelling funky. Choose Imperial Carpet Care for a thorough and professional cleaning experience that will leave your carpets clean, looking, and smelling fresh. So, if you're ready to experience the difference in professional carpet cleaning, contact Imperial Carpet Care today. Your carpets and your lungs will thank you.